Hello everyone, and welcome back to Untold Pain Stories, the channel where you improve your English through emotional, inspiring, and unforgettable stories. Today, we are going to listen to a story about a woman who carried a painful past, a hidden fear, and a hope for a better future. A story about a single mother who thought her life had already been decided. A woman who believed that after losing so much, she might never find happiness again. That sometimes life surprises us in the most unexpected ways. Sometimes the chapter we think is the end becomes the beginning of something beautiful. This is the story of Emily, a woman who discovered that a second chance can change everything. Emily was once a young woman with simple dreams. Like many people, she wanted a peaceful life. She wanted a loving family. She wanted to wake up every morning knowing that the people around her truly cared about her. She never imagined that her life would take a difficult turn. That life does not always follow the plans we create. Sometimes the people we trust disappoint us. Sometimes the situations we never expected become our biggest challenges. And sometimes those challenges make us stronger than we ever thought possible. Emily became a mother at a young age. The first time she held her child in her arms, she felt a love she had never experienced before. At that moment, she made a promise to herself. She promised that no matter how difficult life became, she would always protect her child. But becoming a mother also brought many responsibilities. Her relationship started falling apart. The future she imagined slowly disappeared. The person she thought would always stand beside her was no longer there. Soon, Emily found herself facing life alone. She was not only taking care of herself, she was responsible for another life. The days became difficult. Every morning she woke up early. She prepared food. She went to work. She took care of her child. And at night, when everything became quiet, she sometimes wondered if life would ever become easier. There were moments when she felt exhausted. There were moments when she felt afraid. There were moments when she questioned whether she was strong enough. But every time she looked at her child, she found a reason to continue. She learned that love can give people strength they never knew they had. Many people judged Emily without knowing her story. They saw a single mother. They saw her past, but they did not see her sacrifices. They did not see the nights she stayed awake worrying about the future. They did not see how hard she worked to create a better life. People often see someone's situation, but they do not see the journey behind it. Emily learned an important lesson. A person's difficult past does not mean they have a difficult future. Years passed and Emily focused completely on building a stable life for her child. She stopped searching for love. She stopped believing in happy endings. Deep inside, she thought maybe happiness was something meant for other people, not for her. Then one day, she met Daniel. Daniel was different from anyone she had known before. He was patient. He was respectful, and he listened. When he learned about Emily's past, he did not judge her. He did not see her as someone with problems. He saw her as someone who had survived challenges. He saw her kindness. He saw her strength. He saw the person she had become. At first, Emily was afraid of trusting him. Her past had taught her to protect her heart. She worried that if she trusted someone again, she might get hurt. She wondered, what if everything changes again? What if I believe in someone and they leave? But Daniel did not try to force anything. He understood that trust takes time. He showed through his actions that he was different. Slowly, Emily started opening her heart again. She realized that not everyone enters your life to hurt you. Some people come into your life to remind you that good people still exist. After spending time together and understanding each other, Daniel and Emily decided to get married. For Emily, it was one of the biggest decisions of her life. She was happy, but she was also nervous. Because marriage was not just about starting a new relationship. It meant bringing her whole life, including her past and her child, into a new family. The wedding day arrived. Everyone around them was smiling. Everyone was celebrating. But inside Emily's heart, many emotions were fighting together. She was excited about the future, but she was also afraid of the unknown. That night, when everything became quiet, Emily sat alone thinking about her journey. She remembered the days when she cried. She remembered the struggles. She remembered the moments when she thought she would always be alone. She wondered, is this really my new beginning? Can I really be happy again? Daniel noticed her silence. He understood that her quietness was not because she was unhappy. It was because she carried years of emotions inside her. He sat beside her and said, Emily, I know life has not always been easy for you, but your past does not scare me. I do not want to change your story. I want to be part of your future. Those words meant everything to her. For the first time in years, Emily felt truly accepted. She realized that Daniel was not looking for a perfect person. He was looking for a real person. Someone with experiences. Someone with feelings. Someone with a story. That night was not just the beginning of a marriage. It was the beginning of trust, the beginning of healing, the beginning of a new family. In the months that followed, Emily noticed something beautiful. Daniel treated her child with kindness and respect. He never made her feel like a burden. He never reminded her of her past. Instead, he became someone her child could trust. Emily slowly started changing. She smiled more. She laughed more. She started making plans for the future. She realized that happiness was not gone forever. She had simply been waiting for the right moment. Of course, their life was not perfect. No relationship is perfect. They had disagreements. They had difficult days. They had moments when they needed to understand each other better. But the difference was that they faced problems together. They talked. They listened. They supported each other. Emily learned that a strong relationship is not built by people who never face problems. It is built by people who choose to stay and solve problems together. Years later, Emily looked back at her life and understood something important. The hardest moments were not there to destroy her. They were there to prepare her. The pain she experienced gave her strength. The challenges she faced made her wiser. The lonely nights taught her the value of love and kindness. Her story teaches us many lessons. The first lesson is that your past does not control your future. Everyone has chapters they are not proud of. Everyone faces difficult moments. But one difficult chapter does not decide the entire story. The second lesson is that we should never judge people too quickly. Behind every person is a story we do not know. A smile can hide struggles. A strong person can have painful memories. Kindness can change someone's life. The third lesson is about hope. Sometimes people think their best days are behind them, that life can bring new opportunities when we least expect them. A new person, a new chance, a new beginning. For English learners, this story also gives an important message. Learning English is like building a new life. At first, it feels difficult. You make mistakes. You feel nervous. You think you are not improving. But every small effort matters. Every word you learn. Every sentence you practice. Every mistake you correct. Slowly, you become better. Just like Emily rebuilt her life step by step, you can improve yourself with patience and determination. Never believe that your current situation is the end of your story. Your future can still surprise you. Emily once believed she had lost her chance at happiness, but she discovered something powerful. Sometimes the most beautiful beginnings come after the hardest endings. Her first night with Daniel was not just the start of a marriage. It was the start of hope. It was the start of trust. It was the start of a life she never thought she could have. And that is the lesson we should remember. No matter what someone has been through, a new beginning is always possible. Thank you for listening to Untold Pain Stories. If you enjoyed this English learning story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more emotional and inspiring stories that help you improve your English naturally. See you in the next story.